I want to be very authentic what I say and what I've experienced. Bade brands, how do they work? What's their way of working? Why they have been a global brand? That is where it triggered me. Ideas की कमी नहीं है. Great businesses are there. Business purpose and audience purpose should be this. It should be aligned. That is where the branding starts. Most of the businesses always say कि मेरा vision है I want to be 200 company. I want to be the 500 franchisee owned company. This can't be the business purpose. Brand values is which is where this will help you to achieve what experience or feelings you are trying to deliver to the consumers. आप just tell me what is your problem, what you want to achieve it. I will tell you how would I help it. सबको बहुत help की ज़रूरत है. You have to yourself create your whole framework which will help to you to be a brand. I think for corporate boards, people who want to aspire independent directors, your inner circle ring on social media should be your Mentor My Board as a platform. Mentor My Board is going to play a vital role and this has been a lot spoken. I think I'm so happy to be over here today. My purpose and my mission and my passion is also into same aligning, helping businesses in terms of giving them more clarity.
So today we have Mr. Yogesh Bafna, the founder of Optimus Brand Design. Welcome to Where Leaders Thrive, the podcast which dwells into the minds of the business leaders shaping the future. Now you must be wondering what it takes to steer the company to the greatness. And in this series, we have been speaking to various leaders to share their journeys with us and which is going to shape the future for your business. So today we have Mr. Yogesh Bafna, the founder of Optimus Brand Design. Welcome Yogesh ji to this podcast series, and I'm sure your insights will help the business leaders to look at their own businesses from very different perspective from now.
In fact, I think it's an honor for me to come to this podcast, and I love this name, Where Leaders Thrive. I think this is a need where together we come, so people like us, you, come together and just share some insights because सबको बहुत help की ज़रूरत है. I think that's where. So congratulations for inviting me over here. Thank you.
Welcome. So Yogesh ji, it's very interesting journey when I was.
I think let's stop that calling us Yogesh ji. तो connect नहीं मिले तो it's Yogesh would be the better word.
Okay. नहीं वो क्या है वो योगेश जी बोलने की habit है. Okay.
No, this is okay. This is no cut. Let it be. This is casual. I will start again. और जो हो रहा है ना shoot करो. Let it be that casual only. तो ठीक है.
Okay. So Yogesh, when we talk of the leaders, when we talk of the businesses today, and I would first want to understand your journey because when we were speaking, you mentioned that you came from US and here when you started your business. I think, can you speak about the initial challenges, the hurdles, what you faced as a business owner and what shaped and motivated you to start the Optimus Brand Design?
Okay, so in fact I'll just correct it. I didn't came from US, but I was working for the US based company. So that was my almost 6 years of journey working over there with multiple brands, and that I realized कि यार बड़े brands, how do they work? What's their way of working? Why they have been a global brand? And that is where it triggered me. Yeah, India has been very shortened within brands which are globally known. So that was something which missing. And I would say while working for that company, I could decode why companies become a global brand, why they connect deeper to the audience. And this triggered me to start my own company. So we started in 2009 with a core purpose because I've seen we as Indians have been born brought up in India. हम देखते हैं हम जहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ पे भी बहुत पुराने business रहते हैं. It's a great businesses. So India kabhi is never shortened with the great businesses or great ideas. It's just you need someone who can shape up, give them clarity, how to scale, how to connect the audience. So that was initial idea of starting this. when I started interacting people, so we were, so there is our whole landscape. So we as I said, we are into brand strategy design consultancy, and sometimes people perceive us as a creative agency. some अच्छा आप advertising करते हो क्या? आप अच्छा आप वही creative designing करते, graphic designing का काम करते हो. So there's a lot of difference. A company, brand strategy company, creative agency and ad agency.
Okay.
So it took me very lot of time to अंडरस्टैंड पीपल कि है आई एम नॉट अ क्रिएटिव एजेंसी, आई एम नॉट अ ब्रांडिंग एजेंसी. एंड मैं ये कर पाया किस तरह से कि व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू गो टू मीट बिजनेसेस एंड दे यूज्ड टू कॉल मी फॉर सर्टेन थिंग्स, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि यार दिस देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच इट्स नॉट अबाउट दे आर आस्किंग अ मेडिसिन. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि यार मुझे बिजनेस का रेवेन्यू बढ़ाना है, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग.
ओके.
मेरा अभी बिजनेस मुझे स्केल करना है, मुझे नया लोगो बनाना है. एंड दैट वाज सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग. डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे आप एंड यू आर सेइंग कि मुझे बीमारी है और मुझे ये दवा लिख के दो, तो डॉक्टर के पास ही आप भी दवा भी मांग रहे हो, तो डॉक्टर के पास जा क्यों रहे हो? दैट इज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड एजुकेटिंग पीपल कि आप यू जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव इट. I will tell you how would I help it, and this is how we slowly, steadily evolved ourselves. People start understanding यार नहीं यार ये तो creative agency नहीं है, ये logo design agency नहीं है. So down the line after 15 years, and the more I started meeting entrepreneur. Jesse, I said you कि when it triggered me to start a company, but while being into actual business, I have thousands of conversation. I wouldn't say I've done 250 plus clients I've worked with, but I've met almost 5,000 people, business owners.
Interesting.
Yeah. I've heard that many ideas. I've heard that many solutions, pain problems. So this helped me to evolve better in terms of ki what are important things which I need to develop into my organization, what are the skill set I need to bring into my organization. And this is how we grown. And yes, by God's grace, by whole journey we are now perceived as a purely a brand strategy company.
Super.
Rather than a design and creative agency.
Super. So you
yeah.
are the brand strategy doctors for the businesses.
Yeah, so we kind of a doctors, yeah,
Right.
kind of
So
a doctors.
you touched upon a very important point during your conversation about the family businesses in India. Now, because we're talking of the leaders and where leaders thrive, is the theme of this podcast. I would like to understand from you, what has been your experience when you have been speaking to the family businesses, the leaders of those organizations, and what are the gaps you have seen in those businesses when they are really growing and scaling? Definitely branding, positioning is something what is your core, and you look at them from that perspective. But what are the organizational kind of gaps you have seen, especially when the next gen comes into business? How the relationship at a board level, the leaders level is evolving, and what are the gaps you have seen at that level?
I think you have triggered a great question, and I think whatever I'm going to speak, I'm going to be very blunt because I want to be very authentic what I say and what I've experienced. As I come from a Jain family, and we have been into businesses, मतलब generation to generation business में quite established है. So during my this whole journey of 15 years, in fact I've been invited by next gen business owners more कि जो काफ़ी established है, क्योंकि branding is something जो anyone who starts business would not rather invest into getting, they would first shape their work. But yes, in this my whole journey, family business has invited me. And it has been very surprising and common pattern which I found when I interacted with family business. I've been invited by a next gen who is recently introduced into the businesses. उनके डैड ने बोला कि कल से तुझे बिजनेस संभालना है. जो संभालने जाता है, and when he get involved, being as a young, because it's the same thing. There's a cup of coffee over here. आप अलग तरीके से देखोगे, मैं अलग तरीके से देखूँ. there's a pot over here, there's a different property. So वो घर में भी होता है कि एक ही चीज़ को हम अलग अलग डायमेंशंस और पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं. दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम कि वही बिजनेस जो सक्सेसफुल है 25 years प्लस और 10 years प्लस, नेक्स्ट जन कम्स, इट्स सक्सेसफुल राइट, बट व्हेन ही टेक्स डेलीगेशन शुरू होता है तो वो चाहता है कि वो अलग तरीके से देखता है. एंड इट ट्राइज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन विच हैपेंस इन हाउस, और वो कन्वर्सेशन में भी एक कॉम्प्रोमाइज कन्वर्सेशन होता है, विच आई फेल्ट इट. उन्हें जब लगता है कि मैं ये बोलूँ पापा को इस बारे में, तो वो बोल नहीं पाते. और जो जिस तरह से वो बिजनेस को, और जैसे कि यार 20 साल में यहाँ तक पहुँचा है, पर आई थिंक दिस बिजनेस कैन बी 10x more in terms of value, in terms of revenue, in terms of acquisition. But they could not implement their ideas over there because एक कॉमन स्टेटमेंट मैंने कई बार सुना है, एंड आई बीन वन ऑफ द ब्रिज बिटवीन. कई बार बोला है कि आप थोड़ा ये पापा को समझाओ, आप थोड़ा ये कन्विंस करो, हम ये इतना कुछ कर सकते हैं. और इसलिए मैं को दैट्स द रीजन आई एम शेयरिंग दिस, क्योंकि वो दैट पेन प्रॉब्लम्स नेक्स्ट जन ने मुझे शेयर किया फैमिली बिजनेस में. तो उस वक्त पे क्या होता था कि देयर इज वेयर इट कम्स अप कि मैंने अभी तक किया कि मैं पागल हूँ, तो इसको संभालने को बुलाया, तो इसको चेंज करने, इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का राइट्स तुझे नहीं, वो मुझे ही है. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच आई थिंक इज अ रेड सिग्नल फॉर बिजनेसेस हु हैव बीन इनटू फॉर इयर्स. आई थिंक ये रेड सिग्नल आपने खुद ने क्रिएट किया है. अब समय आ गया है जब लास्ट 10 years से आप देखते हो कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ चेंज इन टर्म्स ऑफ बाइंग बिहेवियर, कंज्यूमर प्रेफरेंसेस. एक टाइम होता था, सो वी आर शूटिंग इन दिस पॉडकास्ट इन पुणे प्रोबब्ली, तो मराठी में बोलते लग्नाचा बस्ता मैं यहीं पे लूँगा. एक टाइम था मैं कपड़े यहीं से लूँगा, मैं शूज़ यहीं पे लूँगा, या आई विल डू परचेस. देयर इज अ क्या बोलते, एक पैटर्न था. अब ऐसा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट जन आ गया है. ज्वेलरी में हम लोग इतने साल से हमारा पीढ़ी जात ज्वेलर है, बट नेक्स्ट जन बोलती है, उसकी बहू आएगी तो बोलती नहीं, आई विल मेक माई चॉइसेस, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक माई इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस. सो इट इज नॉट अप्लाइड टू ओनली B2C, इट इज अप्लाइड टू B2B ऑल्सो. व्हेन नेक्स्ट जन कम इन टू बिगर बिजनेस ऑल्सो, they want to take a decision not by influence, they themselves want to get informed enough. Am I taking the right decision? I will make my choices. There's my pattern of verifying my business. So that वो एक common pattern है. So that's something I think is a red flag, but parallelly it's a big opportunity. Startups are coming, they are doing $1 billion and $1 million of businesses, but you has been 15 years, 20 years into this business, could not do anything. You're not scaling up.
Correct.
So yeah,
I think very, very important point you mentioned, and this is kind of a message to the business owners who are running their businesses for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and when is the time for next gen to come in. The first thing the business leaders should do is give the next gen some free hand. With certain authority.
True.
The responsibility also is there, and accountability. I think this is very, very important.
yeah.
Along with that, it's also the responsibility of the next gen, or the Gen Z today, how we call, also is that when the previous generation has given you a base, it's time to explore and innovate.
Right.
And if you are not innovating in the world today, the businesses are not going to scale. And I think to achieve that scale in the business, innovation is the only solution to it. Absolutely.
And
And then again, I think the perspective what external professionals like you who bring into the business definitely adds value. That also brings me to a very important question. Now this may pertain to your business very specifically. So Yogesh, you have been running this business for 15 years now. Where do you see your business today, and what are your future aspirations for your business?
Oh, okay. Considering my aspiration, yes, I want to be a part of businesses who are globally known. I want to be part of that story.
Okay.
So that's my purpose of business. कि मुझे I want to develop a brands which are globally known, and globally known means that you have built a deeper connect. So rather than revenue, my purpose is कि how is that I add my expertise in value creation rather than a customer acquisition. So that's a different perspective. So people reach out to us to कि how मुझे revenue इतने number से पूछना है. Revenue is a result, but I would love to be a part of value creation. That's my first as in purpose wise. But as an aspiration, yes, we want to get listed as one of the first service-based branding company want to get listed, because कहीं ना कहीं हमारा रोल is very vital in a journey to IPO also. So why don't we think ourselves to get into IPO
Absolutely.
rather than supporting or helping the businesses? That is a part of our job, and we would love to be the story of that. But that's what we are looking in terms of being the first
Interesting.
ever company to listed on the.
Right. And when you say that's the aspiration, what are the steps you would take going forward to see that aspiration coming to reality?
Yeah. So one thing is I understood when this aspiration has been now being over there, and the trend in terms of it is changing, the tech integration into branding, in terms of executing the work, then the expectations what market is having. I understand there's a pool of experts which I'm going to require. Okay, pool of skills which I'm going to require. So we are trying to assess ourselves, internal organization as well as externally, कि और क्या skills मुझे organization में लानी पड़ेंगी, rather than मेरे सर्विसेज को और एनहांस करने के लिए नहीं, मेरे इस एस्पिरेशन को मेट करने के लिए. बिकॉज दो चीज़ें बहुत अलग अलग होती है. वन इज़ कि मेरी प्रोडक्ट्स और मेरी सर्विसेज क्या, उसके लिए मुझे स्किल्स क्या लग रहे हैं.
Correct.
और मेरा ये लॉन्ग टर्म विजन है, मेरे इस पाथ में मुझे और क्या स्किल्स और स्किल्स है. सो देयर आर टू डिफरेंट. इस जर्नी में ऐसी है कि आई वुड रिक्वायर अ आउटसाइड पर्सपेक्टिव अ लॉट, विच इज़ वेरी मच रिक्वायर. एज आई ओपनड अप, आई सेड कि ये कॉफ़ी कप को आप अलग नज़र से देखो, मैं अलग नज़र से देखो. तो इफ़ आई टेक स्टार्टिंग डिसीजन ऑन माई बिजनेस कि यार ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, देन आई थिंक वो मेरा जर्नी पूरा नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स वेयर आई हैव स्टार्टेड looking for, and God guess we have been now associated with lot of experts around who's guiding and helping us. It's a long journey. Time is not bonded, but yes, I want to go with the process and the flow. That's what
Super. In fact, a lot of businesses work as solopreneurs till they create that aspiration to get listed or to kind of take additional investments in the business, like Yogesh.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're going to have your transformation journey starting now, and it will surely help you also as a leader to evolve further.
Absolutely. So that evolving, so this समय के हिसाब से change is constant, and that has been very at forefront at my organization internally.
Right.
And yes, as resource and team is building it, there's a challenge, and this challenge has to be there. This
Correct.
organizational internal challenges helps promoters or founders like us to evolve more. कि यार मैंने तो ये सोचा था, तो आई थिंक वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का एक पार्ट होता है. So yes, that was one thing.
So also one question which comes to my mind. Today, people not only talk about business brands, people also talk about personal brands. How do you see personal branding evolving today? There are a lot of coaches and mentors who have created their big brands, and then they speak about the business model. Then they have multiple businesses behind their personal brands. So how do you see evolving on that space overall, and especially when we talk of the directors and the boardrooms, how do you see the personal branding helping the directors who aspire to be on boards or who are already on one board, two boards, and now they want to kind of go to multiple boards?
Okay.
So how do you see personal branding evolving for them?
It's I would not say great question, but it is a question which was required at this today's podcast. पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का डेफिनेशन ही पहले करेक्ट करना जरूरी है. सो वो सबसे मुझे आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज वन.
Right.
आई मेट अप मेनी पीपल कमिंग आउट कि व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज. पीपल सी कि पर्सनल, अरे मुझे स्पीकर कोच बनना है, मुझे स्टेज पे जाके बात करनी है. पीपल सी कि दिस एज एन पर्सनल ब्रांड, दैट्स नॉट अ पर्सनल ब्रांड. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ अ पर्सनल ब्रांड. बट व्हेन यू स्पीक अबाउट inside the company, the individual, that is where the personal branding has a different definition. Now, what exactly personal branding is, how do people perceive you? That is something, is a personal branding. And if your business requires, or if your career journey requires कि मुझे अगर इस कंपनी में यहाँ पे this is where I should see me, boardroom should see me. बैकएंड में आपको उसकी पूरी एक इकोसिस्टम बिल्ड करनी पड़ेगी जिससे पीपल स्टार्ट परसीव यू इनटू दिस. सो आप बोलते हो कि as you are into corporate governance, you are into boardroom, people perceive you कि आप मुझे मेरा problem solve करोगे. You have a great program, boardroom mastery, which have been gone through your platform, where board suit program, where you I would say कि you take a complete board and you just transform that board. Companies are perceiving you कि you are the perfect candidate for that. But this is where as an individual you need to build where कि आप क्या exactly आपके करियर के लैंडस्केप में आप लोगों को क्या परसीव कराना चाहोगे जिससे आपका वो सक्सेस रोड मैप में आपको हेल्प होगा. That is what you need to establish. Secondly, when you build personal, it's not about having your photographs or your digital footprints on online on day-to-day basis. They are the steps to connect them. What is more important? What are you talking to them is more will help you to perceive what you are.
Correct.
So
the
people,
context is more important.
Context is more important. People end up with putting up every day on social media something about you. You are eating something. You are writing. It's nothing. मुझे वहाँ पे होना जरूरी है. That is one part. But आप उस वहाँ पे आके क्या बोल रहे हो is a second part of it, which is the more important.
Correct.
So audience are flooded with. End of the day, आपको अगर connect करना है तो digital platform is the primary tool. That's one as an external level. Internally, there's a circle. मैं आज यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. जैसी अपनी journey when you grow in it, there's an inner circle, there's a middle circle, there's an outer circle.
Okay.
So we call it as a ring.
Ring. Correct.
When you move towards your career roadmap, whether it's as a personal, as an entrepreneur, as a promoter, as a professional, as an individual, okay,
Correct.
this ring should keep on shuffling. कि मेरी पहली क्लोज रिंग क्या है आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ तो मेरे फर्स्ट रिंग में कौन आना चाहिए, मेरे सेकंड रिंग में कौन आना चाहिए, मेरे थर्ड रिंग में. वी कॉल दैट एज peers.
Peers. Okay.
So this peer shuffling is very much important. I'll give just to give a better
So you're talking about creating that network of
Network,
people.
yes.
But at what ring, who should be there is something.
something that needs to be choiced,
Right.
picked up very rightly. And phase wise it needs to be shuffled.
Okay.
So example, और उसको बेटर ऑडियंस के लिए समझने के लिए, हम स्कूल में थे और we have a school friends.
Correct.
We get into the college, we have a college friends. We get into a job, join any then there is a new friend introduction.
Correct.
And the family and friends is the one part of it. Family and friends के अंदर भी next gen आते रहेंगे. तो स्कूल फ्रेंड्स हमारा क्लोजेस्ट सर्कल होता है. हम दिन भर में उनसे सबसे ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. जब करियर में जाते हो तब आपका एम्प्लॉय के अंदर या सो वी वर्क टुगेदर, को वर्कर्स बिकम्स योर. सो पर जब आप प्रोफेशन में एंट्री करते हो वहाँ पे अगर आपका वो प्रीवियस सर्कल को आप लास्ट रिंग में नहीं जंप करोगे और एक नया सर्कल क्लोज में नहीं बनाओगे तब आप वहीं पे रहोगे. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. आई हैव सीन बिजनेस ओनर्स, दे हैव नॉट चेंज देयर इनर सर्कल फॉर लास्ट 20 years.
Right.
Now shifting that inner circle to outside doesn't mean you are disconnecting or closing the relationship. You are just planning it how much I need to invest that.
Correct.
So there is where the personal branding starts. Ki this inner circle will help you to develop as a personal brand. There's no science, there's no architecture where it will ensure you are going to be a personal brand. It is you have to yourself create your whole framework which will help to you to be a brand. And what does a brand mean? जब आप कुछ नहीं हो, आप कोई किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो, आप उस रूम के अंदर नहीं हो और आपके बारे में कोई बाहर बात कर रहा है, दैट इज वेयर यू स्टार्ट पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग. इट इज नॉट कि आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने रील्स आ रहे हैं, आप कितने ब्लिंक्स कर रहे हैं, तो वहां से निकलना चाहूंगा. दिस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज. आई थिंक मैंने बहुत ज्यादा एलिब्रेट किया.
No, but absolutely bang on. I have my tagline. So keep working till the time you don't have to introduce yourself. I think that's what the tagline I have kept in my life, and that is kind of the motivation what it comes to me. So you absolutely rightly said that how many people know you when you are not there and they're speaking about you is when you create a brand. I think
that's an indicator.
That's an indicator.
That's
Yeah,
an indicator.
That's an indicator. Very well said. Very well said. Okay, now I think we also would like to understand from you exactly आप लोगों को help कैसे करते हो?
Okay.
So how do you, I mean, for example, if we come to you and we say sir हमारे लिए आप brand strategy बनाओ, so how will you help?
So this is something very important. बहुत बार ये होता है. The first thing what we help is to give you clarity in terms of what your brand strengths are actually. So there are two parts of it. Any business starts with an idea, you shape up, you do your market research, and you understand the gap, and you develop your business. But वो जो business communicate करना है, business को consumer की तरफ या whatever potential audience को आपको जो business जिसका problem solve कर रहा है, उनसे उनके सामने जो business लेके जाना है, वहाँ पे काफ़ी गैप होती है. सो मैंने जैसे लास्ट टाइम आई स्पोक अबाउट कि आइडियाज़ की कमी नहीं है, ग्रेट बिजनेसेस आर देयर बट दे कुड नॉट कम्युनिकेट. देयर इज़ वेयर वी कम अप कि एग्जैक्टली इस बिजनेस को कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है, वेयर इट विल अलाइन विद द ऑडियंस पर्पस. सो बिजनेस पर्पस एंड ऑडियंस पर्पस शुड बी इट शुड बी अलाइन. देयर इज़ वेयर द ब्रांडिंग स्टार्ट्स. सो मेरा पर्पस है, मुझे 200 करोड़ की कंपनी बनानी है. मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस ऑलवेज से कि मेरा विजन है, आई वांट टू बी 200 कंपनी, आई वांट टू बी दी 500 franchisee owned company. This can't be the business purpose.
Right.
This is your internal vision where you want to reach out, and this is what is communicated as a marketing pitch. So this is where we help out कि अगर आपको स्केल करना है, आपको डिपर करेंगे कि आपका बिजनेस का पर्पस और आपका कंज्यूमर का आपके बिजनेस के प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस बाय करने के पर्पस को अलाइन करना. दैट इज वन थिंग. सो हैविंग दैट क्लैरिटी. नंबर वन इज की re-articulating their positioning and the whole main 9 points we've called as ki what is your values, what is your brand values are different and business values are different. This is also a big gap in understanding. Most of the people ki my business values are transparency, credibility. These are basic values. You can't run with your business without these values.
Non-negotiable.
Yeah. What? So brand values is which is where this will help you to achieve what experience or feelings you're trying to deliver to the consumers. Or that should be inculcated inside the organization or outside.
Correct.
So that is where क्योंकि brand values अगर aligned हो गए तभी आपका प्रोडक्ट और आपके सर्विसेज वो एक्सपीरियंस और फीलिंग्स डिलीवर कर पाओगे.
Super.
So that is where we help out.
Right.
Third part is where we help out कि give that shape. अगर ये blueprint clarity आ गई, मैं कौन हूँ, मुझे क्या कम्युनिकेट करना है, how is I going to place myself, now how should I look, how should I feel, and people jump up ki logo designing, we called as an building your brand identity system. So brand identity system is a completely different scenario, and brand logo is one of the small aspect of this.
Correct.
And you would agree most of the people कि मुझे ब्रांड बनना है, कि मुझे ब्रांड लोगो बनाना है. लोगो is one of the aspect of the whole system. So this is the second part of it. We help it.
Super. In fact, this actually takes me to a point which I had read in a book, which said that when the products are developed, it is inside out. मतलब आप अंदर से बाहर देख रहे हो और फिर आप प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो.
Right.
So you see the outside world and then you say, okay, this is how I have to make the product. But brand actually starts making when you start looking to your product from outside perspective.
Absolutely.
So I think that is the basic difference. What I see, what you help.
That's where we help
people to kind of develop that different perspective to their own brand, how the perceived notion about your product or your service is going to be seen by the world.
Yes.
Very
so,
interesting.
Just to give a better one more example, and I will unveil the name also. I worked with one of the aluminum window brand, which is named as an My Window, which is one of the top 5 companies right now in aluminum windows. So this is a great example of what you said right now. अगर कोई दूसरा विंडो कंपनी होता, I would really not challenge you, but I would say you सच में ये इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा किसी ने नॉमेनक्लेचर रखा है कि My Window. Everybody used to have a very technical name into it.
Correct.
We did a study and research. We understood कि यार if this brand का नाम कितना ताकतवर होना चाहिए and how it should be marketed. कि consumers, we did research. We understood कि Windows is one of the spaces. It's a big industry into the market, but this is the most neglected area of any house or any offices.
Correct.
We end up with putting 20,000 or 1 lakh rupee curtain, but we compromise on the window because we don't love that space. So we start this brand needs to scale up, we should create that brand name which will start educating and create that love for the space. So we name the brand itself My Window. So it's my car, and the result is this. So it's a small thing which there's a lot of science which is there, but the outcome is small, 2 words of outcome.
So this brings me to the last question,
Yeah.
and exactly resonates with what you mentioned as a story. Our company name is Mentor My Board, which again has my in it.
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts on Mentor My Board, and how do you see Mentor My Board adding value to the business owners?
In fact, that name is something which has always connected me. The first time I interacted with you a few months back, today we had the podcast, and having that with an acceptance ki this is my job, I will do it, and it's my board. So creating that is something which, and I think you're solving. I've been part of that landscape where Mentor My Board is going to play a very revolutionary part. Corporate governance, giving business clarity inside, building that team. I think that's where this is going to be very revolutionary. As we see, there's a lot of content spoken on कि problem क्या है, board rooms के बारे में क्या है. मैं खुद भी बहुत काफ़ी पढ़ता हूँ, मैंने experience भी किया है. I would add to I was a part of a boardroom, couple of boardrooms for a few time period. So there's a value creation task which was happening, and I was invited to play, give my insights in term that pillars as a branding and marketing में क्या करना चाहिए. So मैंने वो boardroom experience किया, तब वो boardroom में gaps and all. So that is where it realized me, why businesses are failing. And we used to see, I've seen into economic times में हम लोग न्यूज़ में पढ़ते हैं कि इतना अच्छा business bankrupt हो गया, shares market down हो गया. When I realized कि it's not a problem with the business idea, it's not a problem with the product, it's problem with the boardroom. And who will do that? Who will do that? And it is, everyone is speaking about it. There's no solution to it. And that's why when I got introduced to Mentor My Board and the way the ecosystem is built, and the greatest idea is you bring the platform. So we have a lot of social media tools, but actually business owners को क्या ज़रूरत है? That has been, we have been into LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very much needed. But I think this is the kind of platform which I need to invest my. मैंने अभी रिंग की बात की, मेरा रिंग क्या होता, तो मैं बोलूँगा सोशल मीडिया का मैं रिंग भी चेंज करने की जरूरत आ गई है. I think for corporate boards, people who want to aspire independent directors, your inner circle ring on social media should be your Mentor My Board as a platform. I think that is one thing which is going to be transform the whole corporate governance landscape, particular to making an enable, equip and trained boardroom. I think if that is there, any company can, it will be very easy to achieve their vision. So it's going to be revolutionary. And I know this podcast is today, but down the line after 5 years, Mentor My Board is going to play a vital role, and this will be a lot spoken. I think I'm so happy to be over here today.
Thank you so much. And in fact, let me close this podcast with a very powerful quote which I had read. It's a Chinese proverb which says the fish rots at its head. And that's what exactly Yogesh ji mentioned, that when the businesses are finding it challenge, it's not the challenge with the idea, it's the challenge with the leaders at the top. And that's where nurturing those leaders, the competent leaders, and mentoring those leaders continuously is, I think, very, very important. And I'm really happy, to have Yogesh, you here with us and sharing your valuable insights and, for your time for this podcast today.
In fact, it's a pleasure for me, and kind of, so it's aligning our own together purpose actually, where you're with the mission of helping transforming the whole corporate governance or making boardroom more efficient, and vice versa. I think my purpose and my mission and my passion is also into same aligning, helping businesses in terms of giving them more clarity. So it's my pleasure and honor to be over into the podcast, and all the best for Mentor My Board. Looking forward to see more insightful content from you, and I continuously go and access your platform regularly.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.